Blessings, my people. Good day, and I hope everybody bless up and having a wonderful Easter. Yeah, normally we don't do this, but a couple of my subscribers them and to the people and thing ask me if you do this, so you don't know. You have to please because you don't know how we are doing it for. Yeah. So respect again to all of my subscribers them and blessings, and remember to share up the video same way. See? Now today we there KILLA Sound Fest. I don't know the party or Renergade them party, INTERCEPTOR them party this. For them Sound Festival. See, I know we there Falmouth marking place. So that not Trelawny said speed.
Yeah, we have 12 sound string up in the land. You understand? We have one guest sound. I put up the flyer on the screen, said speed. So, when I can check out the sound, then we are going to do it. You understand? All the sound them checking from early. A matter of fact, some of the sound them string up from overnight. It's a bad party, so people I go check in feet. You understand? Well, right now, some sound playing dub plate, some sound are play 45. You understand? But INTERCEPTOR them party this, Renergade sound. You understand? A year to year event, so just check in. Watch the video, check out the sound them. You understand? You can comment in the comment section and tell me which sound or your sound. See? Yeah, man.
Don't you know you're gonna die? El CHAPPA know your music gonna cry. Artists of them life, don't play to your body. Your feet say you're heavy and you're bright. El CHAPPA and you die when I will. So them are heavy, so them are going to El CHAPPA, you're mighty, you're the ruler in the land. Hey, praises be to your sound. El CHAPPA, you're mighty, you're the ruler in the land. El CHAPPA, yes, I died in the mountain and sing the deepest sea. Searching for my someone in CHAPPA sound to play for me. Why is it taking so long for sounds to back and go out? When we there, this is the CHAPPA and gave birth. The CHAPPA shall kill them all when he gets his turn. He'll never lose, he's no right to place in the world. And get some lost confused and find what I so El CHAPPA bust down shuffling at them hand. Jump on some jump and son running sweet murder. And the boy is El CHAPPA that have led them off with start and gun free walkward. Them can't put the youths them haunted. But El Chapa no play with no pocket sound. We murder them to rotted. Catch up we run the thunder and make the lightning flashes. The El Chapa sound so wisdom that them smart with. And boy violate we put that under the earth. If not them headshot that's
a natural vibes this. Yeah. And it's a natural vibes. Yeah. When we are play singer, we're not going to give it a cheap singer. Them money expensive and dear. You know who this? Dennis Watt, Zebra Father, and him sing that tune here. Joe! Rastafari. Squeeze the bounce spring. I know natural vibes. He has been killing someone. Oh yeah. He has been killing someone. From the day I know natural vibes. He has been killing someone. Oh yeah. All the motive they my run. You know who this? Dennis Watt, Zebra Father, and him sing that tune here. Joe!
Rastafari, look! Rasta know that.
Squeeze the bounce spin. Why, yeah. From the day I know natural vibes. He has been killing someone. Oh yeah. He has been killing someone. From the day I know natural vibes. He has been killing someone. Oh yeah. All the motive they might run to hear natural vibes play. Kill them. Kill them. What I don't see are cooking. What you don't care on natural vibes. It's no pain, so you may do what you may, someone, and say what you will, cause it's you are the one who natural vibes is gonna kill. Hey, the faster you climb is the harder you drop. Hey, you better take your time till you reach the top, sound boy. If you walk too fast, you'll have to walk again. You better take your time till you reach, my friend. Yes. What I don't see, got man like Alpha, sing all the day and all crew. Oh gosh, natural vibes sound, champion sound. The old time talking about natural vibe sound. You're flying high now, soundboy, in a Japan world. Natural vibes are killer sound. Natural vibes are made a soundboy. Natural vibes are killer Japan. And it won't be long.
How we know you grow deeper. Original sound play, original artist. natural vibe sound is a dancehall star, and natural vibe sound is a murderation sound. Natural vibes kill sound in every way. Natural vibe murder sound in every way, and I know why. As those champion music they play, the music natural vibes kill sound you cannot find. A sound to kill natural vibes, no matter where you search, and I've got to find my black Cinderella. Oh Lord, she must be where natural vibes killing jump and sound. Oh, 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 my black Cinderella. Show up your face. Whoa, yes. Ooh, 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 yes. Natural vibes killing sound, I'll be different. Yes. Natural vibes murdering sound, I'll be different. The dance we play, you'll never even jump and sound boy play. The specials we play, we kill and jump and sound boy right away. Yes, natural vibes killing sound, not big way different. Yes. You see natural face, but you don't see the song. You see natural face, but you will never know the stuff. This sound don't feel like no sound, see? Or else you can say that natural vibes. You see natural face, but you don't see the song. You see natural face, but you will never know the stuff. Anyway, I saw no one of them, but never need that, take it to her. Natural vibes. Begging you a special natural can I sing fun can begging you a full fun begging you a LB in a drop can I sing fun can
I'm
say a natural vibe.
Yes, a natural vibe, I would make them know, say, yeah, hear me. We send some sound boy gone a burial camp, I wanna come here for ramp, yeah, hear me now, we're out all them lamp, yeah, hear me now, recon, fat boy, colonel, corporal, just like that original gringo introduced to the world, veteran singer, General, deal with it, man.
Right away, the case of a deal with the guy knows that sound boy come show up and never knows it. Give me an hour ranking and tall, natural vibe come to beat it to the process. Listen to this sound boy. Hey, sound boy come to natural vibes too. Let him teach you the
natural vibe. I'm gonna make them know, say, yeah, hear me. We send some sound boy gone up the real camp. I wanna come here for ramp, yeah, hear me now. We're out all them lamp, yeah, hear me now. Recon, fat boy, colonel, corporal, just like that original gringo introduced to the world, veteran singer, General, deal with it, man.
right away, the case of a deal with the guy knows that sound boy come show up and never knows it. Give me an hour ranking and tall, natural vibe come to beat it to the process. Listen to this sound boy. Hey, sound boy come to natural vibes school. Let him teach you the sound rule. Sound boy, you better know yourself. Cause tonight we're gonna put you on the shelf. Natural vibes and you a burial camp. Natural vibes and you a burial camp. Sound boy, you done dead already. Hey, why didn't you take your friends' advice? Don't come to the dance tonight. Tonight we gonna murder you. Tonight we gonna kill you. Sound boy, natural vibe is the champion sound.
Natural vibes.
Yeah. I'm on Jano, no said natural vibe is the only sound that can make a sound turn a clown. Sound, oh well, a natural vibe. We gonna murder you. We will make you run until you wanna cry. Sound boy, you run away and hide. Be careful, be careful. Natural vibe gonna murder you like a thief in the night. Kill them, kill them, kill them. Murder them, natural vibes, murder them. Natural vibe will make you wanna cry. Sound boy, you'll run away and hide. Be careful, be careful. Natural vibe will murder you like a thief in the night. Kill them, champion, kill them.
Natural vibes.
One press, where's
Natural vibe. How you say, man? Oh, them hear your name and not tremble. Fat boy and wicked man. Now, no tremble tone and hear them name that too, you know, and not go on, you know. Who fight who not tremble to? Now, Johnny Clark, man, and hear me now. Natural vibe. I had the feel. Natural vibe, the feel. Natural vibe, the fear. So, no, we not fear. Natural vibe, the fear. So, cause we don't care. Rougher than rough, rougher than tough, tongue like lion, we are iron. Natural vibes. How you say, man? Oh, them hear your name and not tremble. Fat boy and wicked man. Now, no tremble tone and hear them name that too, and not go on, and who fight who not tremble to. Now, Johnny Clark, man, and hear me now. Natural vibe. I had the feel. Natural vibe, the feel. Natural vibe, the fear. So no we not fear. Natural vibe, the feel. So cause we don't care. Rougher than rough, rougher than tough, tongue like lion. We are iron. Natural vibe, the fear. So no we no fear. Natural vibe, the fear. So cause we don't care. Natural vibe in the dancehall play and kill it. Natural vibe in the dancehall play. We gonna jump and kill a man. This is the little kid and call him. We say we call him. This is the little jump and call him. We gonna kill jump until the morning. Stick it, let's jump on. I was something fun I go do now. Natural vibes are killing murder again. Natural vibes taking over. Kill them undone. Natural vibes in the area. I sound up play them tune and natural vibes counteract. The massive them get up and rails to the heart. Them say that this a sound him no biting chop. No tin pan sound right power back. Murder again.
Free day and shoe light. Natural vibes sound. I've been guided by natural vibes sound. Boy, yo, yo, yo. Relay and shoe light. We ready for them. We are gonna mash them up and flash it up again. We ready for them. Natural vibes are go kill them again. Kill them natural vibes and don't let them get away. You kill them in a double style. You kill them in a rubber duck style. Yes, you're wicked and you're wild. Natural vibes, you're the champion.
Natural vibes that kill us somebody in the dance. Natural vibes that kill us somebody in the dance. They put a plate pan, then we put a plate pan them. The plate pan, then we put the plate pan them. Natural vibes sound like kill them.
You don't say natural vibe.
Jamaica, Flatbush, and Brooklyn crew. Elvis.
You're natural vibe.
Father Dave, Cool Breeze, Large Up. Natural vibes, but kill them in the dance. Natural vibes, but kill them in the dance. Right. Natural vibes that kill us somebody in the dance. Natural vibes that kill us somebody in the dance. They put the plate pan, then we put the plate pan them. The plate pan, then we put the plate pan them. Natural vibes sound like kill them in the dance. Natural vibes sound like kill them in the dance. As we reach in the dance, we sight some jump and bird. Who want us, don't stand a chance. A natural vibe that sound around the dance, oh yeah. A natural vibe that sound like the party, yeah. Natural vibe sound make it lively, people feel alright, yeah. Natural vibe sound I play tonight, yeah. Natural vibes I got dance and sound, yeah. Natural vibes I got dance and sound, yeah. Get them, well up you one with natural vibes on a play. Make them know him a the king for reggae when we say. Well up you one with natural vibes on a play. Make them know him a the king for reggae. Kill them sound, we a go dust them. Kill them sound, we a go dust them sound. Natural vibes are the talk of the town. Natural vibes they have to throw them down. Because Johnny Wonder go and mash it up again. Dancehall, my kind of so public. People them a show cloud and knowledge it. Natural vibes are play sweeter than. Let me say, well up you one with natural vibes on a place.
Jah is my light and my salvation. Of you cheat that sound, why shall I and I fear? Natural vibes fear no sound in the dance hall. Yo, Corporal Dave, no Albus, you don't know a Morgan heritage along your side. Run it and give thanks and praise and run them away. All those spies and perpetrators. Rock
It's Morgan heritage again. And natural vibes are our friends.
always.
Yeah.
Always.
We know you know nothing we
We
get.
know you don't know.
Natural vibes not go back no friend.
No.
We know you know nothing we
We
get.
know you don't know.
Natural vibes not go back no friend. Natural vibes are run those pagans and heathens, chase them. Away we no gonna see them. See those idiots jump and some chase them. Away natural vibes are run those pagans and heathens, chase them. Away we no gonna see them. See those idiots jump and some chase them. Away. Cause everything we do, those someone they try to hurt me and you. And every time they plan to see us fall, natural vibes still standing tall. My son can't come over. The natural life bada. Me say again, the natural life the bada. Again, the sound get murder. Again, the can't come over. He rule, natural life do bada. The natural life rule. No sound can't come over. No, someone just screech you over. The sound be getting murder. Someone just screech you over. Jokes, and not the rights to honor. Get away, ain't get away. Jokes, I'm talking in her. Jokes, and not the rights to honor. Get away, ain't get away. Jokes, I'm talking in her. Hey, Mr. DJ, you see legs on his rocket. Beat up. You evil man skanking all you the argue. Hey, you jump on sound tonight, you gonna fall. Natural products, internal than I want. So, jokes, find out the vibes to honor.
Yo, them for no say a natural vibe.
Yo, Corporal Ton, I want some more. Hey, yo, I'm legendary sound. Natural vibe to pass. You don't know Rico, Fat Boy, and all of the outlaw them from all parts, east or south and north. I am a bowler, come blessed up on 9 Spencer. Yo, I'm a bowler.
Exhibit the masculine, the Maui, King Island Selassie, I the Almighty One. We must unite and live as one. Oh yeah, Lord knows. Hey, it's the inner sound that move me, and it's the inner sound that blew me like natural dice do.
I'm never ready, baby, yeah, well, come let me love you all that long.
I'll kill a face. Anything just get erased. Now we got my like naturals and lion face. Run it on them and the messenger. Come on. Take it away. Church it. Holy man over there. See this. Anything that's like victory in mind. Kill a face on all the time. All the time. It's a climb. It's sweet, the deep is searching for my example. Killer face to play with me. Is it taking so long to go sound? Back and go out. When will they learn? It is the naturals and gave Killer face shall kill them all when he gets his turn. He'll never lose. It's the right of faith in you. And get some box confused and run them out of town. Kill a face when I move. The father's rolling through. Those sounds may come around. Kill a face when the ground. Victory is mine. Kill a face on the road. It's a war. I feel like you're not on this rock. You jump on every time. Select the run away. Kill the face, run by the line. Jump and listen how we play. Oh, kill jump on every time. Select the run away. Oh, kill them from by the line. Kill the face, knowing your motion. Kill them person. Jump and who contest the champion. And you a kill them jump and you a kill them one by one. Make them know where killer face stand. Tell them say you rule the dance. So you advance. No little jump and come hard. Turn them just stand a chance. Dance on the road. Who you know them lose them life. We kill jump and every time. Them selected run away. Oh, we run the borderline.
face, jump and shoot the slave.
To kill a face, the older than we not let go. Cause only kill a face make the rubber dub flow. Even if a pocket is the rubber dub, kill a face make we feel like we. Yes, we all love one. And we not let go. To kill a face make we all love one. And I'm rocking so. Sharon, she want to go to the martini in Falmouth. Say she want to go to party. But all I can say, kill a face sound is just where we'll be. Yes, them all have one, and them not let go. To kill the face, we all have one, and I'm rocking so. 2 to 1 still going strong. This love relation, it have to going. Sharon, she want to go to the martini in Falmouth. Say she want to go to party. But all I can say, kill a face down,
down the place. I'm the brightest space. Leave an idiot soundboy in disgrace. Now massive, let's rise and shine. Give Killer Face the victory. Killing jump and sound tonight. Oh, what a fight, what a fight. Let us sing and shout. Killer Face and praises forever, so the world can see how the champion sound should be. Knowing that Killer Face now is the #1 champion sound, and all the world agree. Now massive, you should open your eyes and see. Another people soundboy would like to come challenge the champion sound. Killer Face is wicked and wild. Killer Face is gonna throw them down. They're bound to fail now. You know they're bound to fail. Let us rise and shine. Give Killer Face the victory. Playing good music for you and me. Hey, ready for war? Make it start then. Killer Face, we not better, we not beg friend. Jump and sound, it's not a problem. Them a go use them drum pan and feed the hand them. Yo, it's all about the big bad Killer Face. The Midwest ruler. That's what Sanchez says without a doubt, you hear me? Now we don't place price in that time, you. Bad like that, bigger than that. So you hear me? Big up the whole of Trelawny, the whole of Pittsburgh and the whole of Detroit, the whole of Canada. So you hear me, Father Killer? You hear me, Papi Crime, Scrappy, Blazing Fire, Tino, you hear me, DJ Flip, Fire Us, you hear me, Bigger Dread, Wayne, DJ T, Lion Face, and the murderers in the dance and the bag of chatting surround that fast and the keep it. Killer Face, murder, jump and sound. How boy, you know. Listen. I jump and sound boy, right them say them want to clash we. The hold on shouting Killer Face at Tom, 'cause we're the best, yes. I got top of the West, don't lose no contest now. Yeah, hear me further, Killer. Killer Face, I don't kill them. Killer Face is here, yes. We come to murder some big boy out of town, 'cause we're the best, yes. I cut top of the West, don't lose no contest now. When you taste Killer Face, you murder yourself. And let me tell you, pumpkin sound I run them out, we beat them out of town. In the Killer Face, we raise some trumpets live. Hey, hell, I'm powerhouse in this clash tonight. A Killer Face come for murder sound tonight. A Killer Face gonna beat them down. Wow. Killer Face is here, yes.
Watch for them. You don't feel like boy, you don't feel like
big boy on top down. Killer Face.
I'm on Derek Morgan, man. This song
can't test that sound, man. Take it from my man, Derek, man. I man said that. Every sound boy test get dropped. See him? Boy. I miss it, so. This still killer faces you superior. It's a sound of me still. This still killer faces you superior. It's a sound of me still. And now you get yourself hit when wicked face them misplay dogs. You try to interrupt him. Listen to sound boy. But still, we the mosque in the sound boy. But still, don't you try to raise up, cause you will get hurt. When killer face them misplay dogs. Don't be trying to interrupt him. Be still. This round. From them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, killer face murder them. From them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we keep murder them. They run over the hill, down in the valley, they're running. They are wondering why killer feels sound so bad. They keep wondering. You said it. Killer feels is the blazing fire. But like it's sound boy, it takes one sound to kill another. And everywhere playing the play, you must back up and go to the gate. You said it, killer feels is the blazing fire. You said it, killer feels is the number one. So don't be still and know we are grow superior. Time is longer than rope, and time no catching up on you. You said it, killer feels is the blazing.
Cause he killed drum band, killer face, put food on my table. Yes, it did my heart to sorrow. Killer face will kill you soft. Drum band sound boy, you should know. The killer sound, you don't understand what killer face. Sanchez original coming up bass splice. No time that. Killer face too big and bad. Hear me, lion face. Big up yourself, brother, not chillers. Hear me? This is the Midwest murderer. Remember what I tell you that? So big up the whole of Trinidad and Ivory and run that. Killer face, we are murderer sound. So why you know? Listen. There are lots of sounds in life. Somewhere they lose their wife. She'll be leaving this minute. The next minute she's gone away. Hold up your head, no killer babe. Killer come on, no killer babe. And by your dogs you should surely be paid. And if that trend is still song in the under, killer babe, who starts to like it. Don't wanna sit iron in your sorrow. Right, so now this is a serious time for hate and crime. Killer face, I'll kill some boy every time. Oh, lion face, kill when the rain don't fall. Them the sister you don't care. You kill them all when the sun shine. Oh, and you don't see it, I kill your face, I kill some boy out the street. Oh, where we get to drop them from, nobody know. We born as a killer. Oh yes, I see him so we grow.
Killer face, I kill so we got some.
And if you love them, what's the next thing? You want to like go there, no survival, like the scene. Sure.
Killer on the jump for the sound. Oh, Almighty Savior divine, open on the sound. Oh, killer faces is sounding.
I'll make sound.
Killer on the jump for the sound.
I'll make tune.
Oh, Almighty Savior divine, open on the sound. Oh, they don't take killer from the
Them one who I am, and where I'm from. Oh, give me the dance, I'm not if they kill the jump and go to the conquering lion. Where they overkill a place with a giant.
It does not about the pain and sorrow, and you have to make sure there's your pride, because you will die tonight. So when the time comes, test me the face up. The time comes, take down the crowd. You will lay it down. But your love is no fear, no slow, no fear. Tell them something no fear, no sound, no fear.
Alright. Why do they then rage me sing and imagine painting? Wanna show you the critical is always a pulling every way. And I say don't get tricked, no you don't convict. And then they come a victim. They got to every sorrow, so you're gonna sing. Them going get brilliant started. Hold up the word of time out. And the meditation of time out. Be acceptable in the sight. Everyone, I sing. When music is the mission of that competition. No sound of music cause confusion. So you're the woman, them like white man. It's like them no respect. Alright, more into this Marcus. Then you must fight with us. Equal rights and justice, that's what he taught us. If you listen to us, why you going to die? If what I say, I am going to die. This is Manuel, you're damn down iron. Every knee shall bow and every tongue shall. He'll have the stuff of them are walking. Them evil still. In a corruption of them are at well. I am no places where the wickedness dwell. True vanity, all them soul them myself. Man I told, watchman, one I told, Chelsea Bell. The earth is the fullness where the virgin dwell. Don't let you find him, don't let you find hell. So when you see the lion, yes, please not try hell.
Ding dong, yeah, yeah, don't you love it, play. Don't be say you're getting you're bright, you're wrong, don't test me like this, no, you're dying well, and it's so never was told, so never was saying that the real champion for life, don't be say you're getting you're bright, you're wrong, don't test me like this, no, you're dying well, and it's so never was told, so never was saying that the real champion for life, when I pay the rules, they send the rules to you, Papa shot you, I think it's you. The program don't say no, you're gonna die.
Some boy, you're gonna lose him life. In a the blood clot dance tonight as it play. We know them serious, but no sound can check with stride. Killer face, all of all the clash, she's been around. We never once get thrown down, so we keep on standing up and put sound on the ground. We'll see you will get.
Hey, killer face, ready to kill a clown. Now them one block them down, throw them down. Oh Lord, what a rascal, no flash, this must be if a boy come discuss me. Kill a face, make them multiply up like a Christmas straight away. Kill, jump and free. Hey, kill a face,
Yeah, we just not just stuck in the bit. That's the no style, we're trying to get some money, stand on the phone all night. You know what I'm saying? Gotcha! Keep your man rise more in the night. This will kill a piece of it if they shot it in the eyes. Like the one, the line, the first, it just realize. Don't get gunshot to the brain and shut. Send straight into an instant data. Use the black blood to send through your pooper data. Use the just plate, your translator, and then don't get gunshot to the brain.